This is actually my feeling at the end of the course, detached from any emotions because I'm drained of.
Of course, it
And
sounds great.
how do you plan to spend the weekend?
Oh, I'm going to get up really early on Friday morning, like 6 o'clock. I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to go to the gym.
Mm.
Then I'm going to.
Do you read? Because you didn't mention that.
Am I going to read? Well, yeah, I'm going to read War and Peace.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, that one.
because I have to get all those names like Blanovic and Belovovich and Petranovich, and Petranovich was the son of
Are you,
Volodovich.
are you brushing up on your, Russian or?
No. But when you read War and Peace,
Mm,
it's kind of confusing because you're not used to the Russian names, and so you
mm,
don't know who killed who
mm.
or why, or if it was the mother or the father or the. That's terrible. Yeah, so there we are. That's going to be my weekend.
Any travel plans for the weekend?
No, but next week I'm going home to Spain.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
I live in Spain. I'm English, but I live in Spain.
Mm,
And
I
you?
love Spain. Probably I'm planning to see my friend in Italy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're planning to see their, well, I mean, to see each other there.
Hmm.
I haven't booked the ticket yet, but I'm just trying to just go back to default setting after all the energy that I spent with the students exerted this semester, which is crazy. I just feel drained.
Hmm.
My batteries are
Welcome to my
dead,
world.
and
Yeah, I know.
welcome to our world.
And on Saturday, what
Yeah,
am I going to do on Saturday? I'm going on a mole trip in the morning,
where?
and then I
What
think it's
mall?
Mansour Mole.
Ah, good
And
one.
then in the afternoon,
Uh-huh.
well, there's an open day here, and there's somebody
There's
who's
a
an English teacher
potluck.
who's coming,
Yeah.
who wants to say hello.
Oh, okay. Safa, do you want to say something in the video about your plans for? I'm sorry, it's a shaky video. Hey, tell us about your plan for the weekend at the end of the semester.
Well, I didn't prepare anything, but probably I'm gonna stay with my family
Uh-huh.
and I'm gonna be with my father, taking care of him.
I was thinking that you may be booking a ticket and going with Adam to Spain. What do you think?
Yeah, this is the second option, but I need to talk to my father first.
To get the approval?
Bienvenida.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
They're switching to Spanish.
Yeah,
right
sorry.
now.
Bienvenida means welcome,
Uh-huh.
and muchas gracias means
Thank you.
Thank you.
yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. And what
Have a
about
nice
you?
week.
What are
Oh,
your
well,
plans?
I got so much on my checklist and bucket list for the weekend. Probably focusing a little bit on getting back to my shape, going back to gym, doing a little bit of reading. I have like 3 or 4 books that are still pending.
So you go back to the gym. So you're going to be like, you're going to, when I go to the gym, the security guards see me going on the bicycle in the morning.
Yeah.
And then about 20 minutes later, they see me coming back. And they said, oh, have you been to the gym? I said, yeah, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Anyway, it's a
Yeah.
pleasure.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Have a nice weekend, everyone.